Understanding Tumbledown, a journey through language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unpack the meaning of an interesting English phrase, tumbledown. This term paints a vivid picture in the English language and is a fantastic example of descriptive vocabulary that can bring your conversations and writing to life. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it completely. Stay tuned to become more fluent and expressive in English. The word tumbledown is an adjective that describes something, usually a building or structure, that is in a state of disrepair or decay, often to the point of collapsing. It evokes a sense of oldness and dilapidation, suggesting that the object has seen better days and is now neglected. It is important to note that tumbledown is not used for something that is temporarily broken but refers to a long-term state of decline. It's often used to describe abandoned houses, barns, castles, or other structures that are no longer maintained. When using tumbledown, it's most commonly placed before the noun it describes. For example, the tumbledown cottage at the end of the village, a tumbledown fence that no longer served its purpose. In these sentences, tumbledown gives us information about the condition of the cottage and the fence, helping us to visualize them as old and rundown. You might also hear tumbledown in more metaphorical uses, where it's applied to non-physical things that can fall into disrepair, such as a person's state of health or a government system. Learning synonyms is a great way to build your vocabulary. Here are a few synonyms for tumbledown you can use. Dilapidated, ramshackle, derelict, run down. Each of these words can be used interchangeably in most contexts where tumbledown is appropriate, but remember, slight nuances in meaning can make each word unique in its own right. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the word tumbledown and can now use it to describe something old and in disrepair with confidence. It's a great word that adds character to your descriptions and paints a clear picture for anyone listening to or reading your English. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to our next lesson where we'll continue exploring the rich tapestry of the English language together. Until next time, keep practicing.